Okay guys, this is happening. So I've given myself a challenge, okay, to make, as you can see from the title, to make a ball gown, a black evening. What are you doing? I just heard like a little bang. She's fine. She's out of black bin bags, as you see from the title, and I probably will do like a thumbnail of the dress that I make, whether it's a nail or a fail. I used to love that on Netflix. Obviously you'll see me make it and then you'll see me wearing it. I mean, I'm not going out, it's just gonna be in the living room. So I'm gonna have an evening wearing a black bin bag ball gown. But my expectations, these reality, I don't know what it's gonna be like yet because I've never done this before, but I am excited and I have high hopes for myself. Peppa Pig is going to be going on in the background. This is the view, so if you can't stand this wonky view, then don't carry on watching, but please carry on watching. Also, whilst you're here and you're enjoying this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up and comment down below what you'd like to see next. I'm happy to make new things out of anything, but not money. I've seen people do it out of money and I don't have things like, I don't have money to waste. I wouldn't even be able to make a pair of knickers with the money I own.
Edgar Pony and Rebecca Rabbit will be the goalkeepers.
Don't you bloody dare. Ah, Rory! No! Right.
Has scored a goal.
I'll forget. You're a monkey. No, we don't play with these bin bags because it's dangerous. Not good, not good. Right. Oh, my sock's coming off. Right, so we're up here now. This is where I usually do my sewing anyway, so let's just carry on, so I know it'll be nice and puffy then. That bit is getting there now actually.
What do we do now? Honestly, Piper, there's always
Like bread. It's not fun.
Okay guys, so I said that I didn't want to be doing it for longer than an hour. So my hour is up. I've got so much bronzer on, it's disgusting. My hour is pretty much up. So I'm wearing my dress. It's a bit booby. I've tried to make it not booby, but let me show you guys. So guys, I literally look like a bloody clown with this. I'm still uploading this, I don't even care. I literally thought, oh, I'll smack on a little bit more bronzer because I've been out today, so I was like, when I got in, I was like, I'll just put a little bit more bronzer instead of like redoing my makeup and everything. Worst decision ever. Can't actually wait to take my makeup off. So basically, yeah, so that is it. This is like a little bra bit there, the bow, split leg, like I said I wanted to do. I mean, excuse the mirror, I mean, it isn't very like clean. I mean, when you pose, it looks cute. Is the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy, like I said, it was just a bit of a jokey fun video. Like, it was nothing, like, don't take things too seriously. I literally just don't take life too seriously, and I want to just sort of have fun with YouTube, and I really enjoy YouTube. Like, I'm gonna leave you now and I'm gonna speak to you soon. Love you, bye. Say bye. Careful.